Hi, good morning. I am Anuj Gupta from Angel Broking. Today, gold open on a negative note. On the back of optimism comes from the major economies to give some relaxation from lockdown, and it is expected to industrial activity may resume. So the safe haven demand of gold or bullions may be fade out due to this positive outlook. So for intraday perspective, we expect gold and silver means bullions may trade on a negative note. Gold has a strong support at 45,200 to 45,100 levels and resistance at 45,800 to 45,900 levels. And on another side, silver also is expected to trade on a positive note. It has a strong support at 42,500, 42,300 levels and resistance at 43,400 to 43,500 level. On the second side, if we talk about the base metal today has opened on a positive note on the back of positive outcomes, positive outlook comes from the economies, and also expected to industrial activity to be resumed. So for intraday perspective, copper and other base metal may trade on a positive side. Copper has a strong support at 400 to 401 levels and resistance at 409 to 411 levels. Zinc has a very strong support at 150 levels and resistance at 157 level. Copper, zinc, and other base metal may trade on a positive side for intraday perspective. Nickel also expected to trade on a positive note. It has a strong support at 920 levels and resistance at 960 levels. If we talk about the crude oil prices, energy segment, crude oil prices are trading on a negative note again today. It almost 12% down on MCX. It touched the lifetime low of 1264 levels on MCX. On international market, NYMEX crude trading on a $15. This is due to the lower demand in the world due to this lockdown and the coronavirus impact. So we expect crude oil prices may trade lower today. It has a strong support at 1100 levels and resistance at 1500 levels on MCX for April contract. So we are expected to trade on a negative note. Crude oil prices may go lower again today. In forex segment, rupee stayed on a flat note. For intraday perspective, rupee may appreciate and may test 76.30 to 76.20 levels. Last week's RBI decision on reduced repo rate may support the Indian rupee. So even lower crude oil prices also support the USD INR. So we are expecting USD INR or rupee may trade towards appreciation mode. So it may test 76.30 to 76.20 level. Currently is trading around 76.60 levels. Now if we talk about the agriculture side, it is expectation of good monsoon and on the time monsoon this year. So this will be a very good this will impact on a very good on agriculture products. However, due to lockdown on coronavirus, the demand of agriculture products are lower. So we are expecting for intraday, even for short term perspective, agriculture prices may trade on a negative note. Now if we talk about particular for soybean, may also trade on a lower side. It is expected to test 3720 to 3700 level NCDX soybean May contract. For spice pack, jeera and turmeric may also trade lower in intraday due to the low demand of these commodities, and jeera expected to trade to test 13800 to 13900 levels, and turmeric is expected to test 5500 levels. So all agriculture commodity may trade on a lower side on the expectation of good monsoon, and even this year the government expected a very good amount of production of the all agriculture products. So we are expecting that inflation may control. So this also impact on USD INR. So in broadly we are saying that we can say that the USD INR may appreciate further. Thank you.